Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope everybody is fine. I am Dr. Alives and you are watching YouTube channel ALEVELCAMS. In this lecture we will discuss the surds. The surds, the numbers involving square root and cannot be written in rational form. Such number are called surds. What does it mean? Let's say I have a number 5. I can write it as P by Q, where Q is 1 and P is the number. So it's belong to the rational number. So the number which cannot be written in the form of P and Q, such that let's say square root 5, I cannot write it as P by Q. So these numbers are the irrational number, and the surd is actually a power of the number such that we cannot write it in the form of P by Q in the form of the rational number. So say you can write another surd 2 plus square root 5, it is another surd. So any number of this form is called a surd. So let's say if we write m plus minus square root n, provided m and n, one of m or n is square free. Let's say this is 4 square root plus minus 3 square root. So you can write it as 2 plus minus square root 3. It is a surd. So at least one must be square free. So you can write like 4 2 plus minus square root 3, so it will be balanced. It is square free and it is not square free. So such number are called the surd. Now we solve the question to clarify the idea. Student, in question number 16 we have to find two numbers a and b not equal to numbers such that if we write a relation this one, we can simplify it in the form of p square root 2. So if you will focus, you will see that let's say I have two numbers, one number is a, one number is 2. So I have to write down the number a square root b and b square root a and write into the form p square root 2. It means you have to write down b and a such that they have common number q. So let's say I choose b equal 49 into 8. So you can write b square root as 49 into 8 square root, and you have 7 into 2 square root 2. And similarly, if you take a equal 9 into 8, for example, if I choose a equal to 9 into 8, so you can write a square root as 9 into 8 square root, which is 3 into 2 square root 2. So you can see that the square root a and square root b has square root 2 in common. If I write down b square root a and a square root b, so you can write 49 into 8, 3 by 2 square root 2. And what is a? 9 into 8. And what is b? b is square root b is 7 into 2 square root 2. So if we write down it, we can write it as 49 8 3 2 plus 9 8 7 2 with the common of square root 2. So let's say square root 2 is 3360, means you can write 3360 square root 2, which is in the form of p square root 2. So in general we can say that a equal to nx square and b equal to ny square, where n is square free, n is square free. So for the journal we can write a square root b and b square root a. What is a? Nx square what is b n y square? What is b n y square and what is a n x square? So you can write from here n x square y will be outside from the square root, plus n x y square, and you have common square root n. So it is in the form of p square root 2. So I hope so you have now full understanding what I want to say. To get the immediate idea, it is better to do mathematics. So student, take care yourself. Stay with us for the next lecture. Allah Hafiz.